So I've got Paraimage running here. I'm just going to switch to Parallel and open up what's called the Fantastic Filter project. And so what you can see over here is we've got the add image. So I'm just going to quickly add an image, desktop. One called, let's add the middle one, make an image. Where's it going? Here we go. 500 by 500 pixels. So I can select this, and once I select this, you'll notice three options come up. The remove the selected image, so that'll delete it, which I don't want to do. I can add another. So I'll add in, say, the small image. It's the same image, so I can select the small image and get rid of that. And back to the medium image, what I can do is now we've added two different filters. One of them is called the brightness and contrast. So if I click on that, you'll notice contrast and brightness come up. And I'm able to actually change these values. And you'll notice a change in the image. As I change this, what you'll notice is that from the top to bottom, it's changing, and the user is able to see the change happening, which is which is what we wanted to achieve in the end, pretty much. If I also click on this, I can see the enlarged version. So, and obviously, OK saves it, so it's just saved in there. And so here's the enlarged version over here. I'm just going to quickly import in. I'm just going to get rid of this. Like that. I'm going to quickly import in the large image, and I'm going to show you the pointillize. So this is a pointillize, and essentially what happens with this one is you drag and you get a whole lot of dots forming, so it's like a formula, and it pretty much pointillizes it. So if I show you the large image, this is how it looks like. Part of our program what's also incorporated is the number of threads. So in this box here, what I can do is I can say, I only want, say, 8 threads running, and go set that. So to set it, I have to click OK. And I'll show you what that actually does. So for example, if I choose large image and I go pointillize, if you watch the the preview carefully as I change, you'll notice 8 different sections forming. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And so pretty much that's what it's doing. And if I change it to 16, OK, and do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't count, but it goes up to 16, and it's going through each section. So we end up. So the number of threads kind of determine the number of sections. And so later on, when you go into performance, our performance section, you'll understand what that means when we tested it with the users to see what their optimum number of threads they preferred, so that they could see the change. So you'll notice that the 16 one, it's really choppy, like it's real cut up. What our users actually preferred was number 8. So I'll show you what that looks like. And you get more of a smoother approach, and 8 was the most popular one among when we did our study. And if we just have 1, which is pretty much the same as a sequential, what that happens is it just changes all in one go, and it's boom. But the users thought that this was way too fast, and they didn't really know what was going on, and it still kind of looks like there's a little bit of, a lag or a downtime, and they can't interact because they can't notice anything happening on the user interface. So yeah.